Chase Sapphire Reserve versus Chase Sapphire Preferred. So, the Sapphire Reserve is Chase top-tier travel rewards card designed for frequent travelers who want premium perks and maximum flexibility. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers generous travel credit, which is around $300. It also has a high rewards rate, which is times 10 on hotels and car rentals. It also offers priority pass launch access. And they have a global entry, pre-check credit, and also luxury perks. The cons is though, they have high annual fees, and it requires an excellent credit, and the perks may be underutilized. Now the Chase Sapphire Preferred, on the other hand, is a mid-tier travel card offering strong travel rewards at a much lower annual fee. It's often seen as the entry point for building Chase Ultimate Rewards points. So let's talk about its pros and cons. For the pros, it has affordable annual fees. It also has a strong rewards rate. They have travel and purchase protections, and there are also valuable points you can use to transfer one to airline and hotel partners, and it's also best for beginners. The cons is though, there are no lounge access. They also have a lower travel credits, and it is less prestige. So overall, both the Sapphire cards are strong choices, but the best one depends on your travel style. So choose Chase Sapphire Reserve if you're a frequent traveler who values luxury perks, and choose Chase Sapphire Preferred if you want a budget-friendly, high-value travel card with great rewards.